Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
गोंयभर सुरू आशिल्ल्या बेकायदेशीर घडणुका आड आमकां आनीक एक चळवळ सुरू करची पडटली तेन्ना सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी 19 डिसेंबराक एकठांय येवन हे चळवळींत भाग घेवचो म्हूण गोवा बचाव अभियानान गोंयकारांक उलो मारला.
मुख्यमंत्र्यान केन्ना गोंयच्या खातीर आपूण झडटा म्हणून म्हणूंक ना. ताचे हर एक भाशणाक एक व्हडलें प्रसिद्ध वाक्य आसा. श्री प्रायम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदीच्या नेतृत्वाखाल विकसीत हो कसलो विकास जाळून उडोवपाचो लोकांक, कित्याक कायदे सगळे मोडिल्ले. TCP, फॉरेस्ट, वॉटर बॉडी, CRG, पंचायत कोण दिता आनी कोण नाव सांगपाक तयार ना. म्हणजे सरकार अशेंच आसा. We will order inquiry, we will find out what government are you running on a day-to-day basis.
We fear more lives will be lost due to flooding, due to landslides and fire because rules are being violated. And to protest these violations, okay, we are giving a call on 19th December, which is Goa Liberation Day. Let us all come to pay homage to our martyrs on that day, and we need to have another liberation movement from all these illegalities and corruption. Besides, we are going to pay our respect to all the people who were victims of these illegalities, the 25 who lost their lives, the known 25 people who lost their lives, and the unknown number of people who were affected by this disaster. So I call upon the people of Goa to assemble here on 19 December at 4:30 p.m. on Goa Liberation Day to pay our respect to the departed.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकोळीकर.